Meaning of hard-hearted.
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 Hard-hearted. The term hard-hearted is used to describe someone who is unsympathetic, unfeeling, and lacking in compassion towards others. Such individuals are often seen as cold, indifferent, and unemotional, with little regard for the feelings or needs of those around them. They may be perceived as callous, insensitive, or even cruel, and their actions can have a significant impact on the people they interact with. Overall, being hard-hearted is generally considered to be a negative trait, as it goes against the basic principles of empathy and kindness that are essential for healthy social relationships.